What is going on, YouTube Nation? This is Dark Dividend. If you guys are new to my YouTube channel, make sure you subscribe and hit the notification bell so not miss future videos. So this is getting interesting. I made a very good amount of money in passive income, $7,230.60. Yes, the weekly pays paid me really well, but I need a little bit more consistency, a little bit more reliability. And I got 3 high yield ETFs that I'm starting to capitalize on. One of them's new, and I'm very excited that M1 Finance added it. There's a major dip, and it's capitalization time. So if you're new to this YouTube channel, make sure you subscribe and hit the notification bell so not miss future videos. Smash that like button. Let's check out these high yield ETFs right now. And again, it is capitalization time for me with BITO ETF, the ProShares Bitcoin ETF, sitting at 1263. Now, again, I've just posted a video on them, but again, it's not actual shares of Bitcoin. And I'm going to jump to that real quick because there's one that's very similar to BITO that I'm going to go over. So it invests in futures and swaps and does not directly invest in Bitcoin. So just to let you know. So again, the growth of $10,000 still in the positive. The expense ratio is 0.95%. So its distributions are what has me attracted to them. So on 12.5, I'm going to be paid 77 cents a share. Now, it was higher than that, but right now it's been a little bit down because Bitcoin's been down with the distribution. At one point, I was getting paid 120. That's going to be a while. 2024, it was looking pretty good. 168, 176, 150, 144, 120. And again, you get a good bang for your buck. That's when Bitcoin's good. But it's not doing good right now. So I'm not expecting a higher distribution. And that's why you have to be well diversified. And guess what? I added this one with ProShares as well. And I'm hoping my dividends buy it very soon. And it is capitalization time for me. The ProShares Ether ETF. It's at 36.45. This one has been down. 1.0 is 29.22 in April 2025. It jumped up to 84.09. So not too bad. Jumped up a lot. Now, just to verify with you, was it a stock split or an ETF split that caused it to jump up, or was it just good? So let's verify that. So just to verify, the ProShares Short Ether ETF, SETH, the ProShares Ultra Short Ether ETF, ETHD, and the ProShares Ultra Ether ETF did a reverse split. So there were no reverse splits on EETH, so that's good. So I just want to verify that with you, and you can correct me if I'm wrong, but you had to see what was going on. Why is it jumping up so much? Was there a reverse split? What is going on? So it appears to be so far safe. So again, EETH, it's the first US ETF to target the performance of Ether. It offers the Investment Company Act protections and avoids direct Ether custody risk, unlike spot Ether ETFs. And income potential. And again, it invests in futures and does not directly invest in Ether. The investment of $10,000, it has been significantly nice. Okay, so that's good. Again, you have to do your digging and due diligence. You shouldn't be buying things because I buy things either. But I'm just showing you some good trends because I'm telling you the trends. Don't do emotions. Trends. Okay. Misty, reverse split. Trends. Look at the trends. When it's bad, it's bad. Alti. Trends. Reverse split. Not emotions. Trends. Gross expense ratio 1.03%, so be aware of that. But look at the distributions of EETH. These are pretty nice. 290, 404, 323, 396, 340. Then you got a little bit 4 cents, 6 cents, 4 cents, 5 cents. So a lot of volatility. Again, 2024, nothing special. 4 cents, 14, 28, 15. 2023, 5 cents, 10 cents, 12 cents. So again, a good price right now. It's time to capitalize. So that's what I'm doing. I wish I was paid $3.40 a share. So M1 Finance finally added it. I'm adding shares. But again, consistency. 20 cents, 3.40, like a dartboard. It's good, bad. Reliability and consistency isn't always there, but it's nice to see things go well. It's down. It's time to capitalize before it jumps back up to where it was. So that's why I'm buying EETH. We're going to jump to the final one. First time it's been negative. The NEO's Bitcoin High Income ETF, BTCI. Bitcoin is taking a hit. BTCI is taking a hit, and it's at 43.82. So if I was going to rank of the three, this one I think is probably the safest, and I'm going to go over that. Again, you have a monthly distribution, expense ratio of 0.98%, distribution rate 28.36. This one I'm heavily invested in, and I'm down, unfortunately. So it's never been less than $1. So look at this: 157, 143, 133, 125, 151, 139, 147, 141, 134, 129, 101. Well, look at the trends. It's been down. YBIT, reverse split. Trends are down with the NEOS BTCI ETF, but it seems to be okay compared to YBIT. So why not capitalize on dips, buying more shares, and building a strong dividend portfolio with these three ETFs, and then relying on BTCI. Yes, I'm going to rely on BTCI to live off of passive income. So if you're new to this YouTube channel, make sure you subscribe and hit the notification bell. Some of its future videos is EETH, a good high yield crypto ETF. You tell me. Do you think it was a good move that I made, or are you making the same move? Now, again, don't buy things because I buy things, but I see the trends on it. I'm capitalizing. So, again, I'm going to jump to my disclaimer in a few seconds, but please do your due diligence when it comes to investing. So, I'm going to post a video for you tomorrow. You guys take care and have a good one, and I'm going to jump to my disclaimer. So, as a reminder, this is a disclaimer. Do not use my YouTube channel for any form of financial advice. It's strictly for entertainment purposes only. Investing is a big risk. You can gain money, you can lose money, so be aware and do your due diligence. Go to a financial advisor for financial advice. Go to a tax advisor for tax advice. I would feel really bad if you lost a lot of money buying what I buy, because I tell you, don't do that, because my financial situation's different than yours. I can take a big hit. I'm not sure if you guys can in your situation. So just be careful and go to a financial advisor and do your due diligence. Take care. Have a good one. And again, you guys have been fantastic. We're almost at 20,000 subscribers. Take care and have a good one.